Hello girls, my name is Anna. In this video we will make beautiful nails with a stone effect, and for the design we will use regular children's watercolors. In accordance with the standard, we will perform remove of the old coating and combined manicure. After the manicure, we degraze the nail and then apply a dehydrator and ultra bond. My main color will be a nude base from the brand Valerie. I apply it to the nail and do the leveling. After the nails are dry, we remove the dispersion layer and take out all the glitter that we have. I apply a small drop of base to the area where I will attach the glitter and attach all the glitter there. I won't use too much, just enough. We cured it in the lamp and applied a thin layer of my top coat, then cured it again. We remove the dispersion layer and dilute children's watercolors with water and draw a stone imitation as shown in the video. Let the watercolor dry and then cover it with my top coat. Remove the dispersion again and draw. on top of the base, I also attach a few more glitters, cure in the lamp for 10 seconds and cover with a glossy top coat. And here's how beautifully it turned out. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to not miss any new video. Bye bye!